GeoJango was started in 2013 while I was a scientist at a national laboratory. In my spare time, I wanted to make maps to share what I learned and to share the beauty of Earth with the public.
Our maps use GIS sensing data, so we've taken data from satellites and we've compiled them together to create our maps. They have topography showing the mountains and valleys of the world.
We use Earth's natural qualities to make our maps. There are multitudes of ways to survey and visualize geography. We use satellite data and all sorts of sensing data to bring them together into our maps. For our proofs, we start with designing custom elements according to the customer's specifications, and these could be anything from custom titles, subtitles, legends, and compasses. We love doing this, and we have fun with making different fonts and design selections with these.
A lot of care is put into the production process. We inspect every map that comes out of our printer. We mount them ourselves. There's multiple hands on the product, so multiple eyes are able to inspect it as it goes through our making and packaging and shipping.
We've tested out hundreds of canvas products and found the best for our maps. It's really important to find the right type of canvas so that the surface can be touched and the labels are nice and clear. We have the highest quality printers. We print on latex and aqueous printers and use wide format printers to do this. Our pinboard maps are the best out there. We've tested a lot of materials and think that we found the best. They're designed to last for decades.
It's a product that you can cherish for a very long time. It's a great tool to continue to build on as a family. So even as your kids grow up or as everybody gets older, it's a way to kind of come back together.
When we receive feedback from a customer, we are thrilled. It makes our day. We put so much into the maps, and it's great to hear back that the work was worth it.
I think quality allows us to have durable maps that will last a lifetime. The quality of the product is really dependent on how much effort is put into it. And these products were developed over years. And so the quality is there, and we aim to really have a product that we are proud of and that you'll be happy to hang on your wall.